Hi, I'm Sharayu, and I'm from Wentzville Middle School. I live in Lake St. Louis, and I'm from this county of St. Charles, and it's Missouri. So, an evening tale with nature. Realizing I'm lonely, with not a soul around, I walk out to poorly lit porch steps, a favorite book accompanying me. While sitting down on cold concrete, the cool nightly breeze forces against me, brushing past wisps of my hair, leaving behind a shivering effect. Setting the nature as a motivator for my reading this day, I start my novel, remembering that I'm reading the book for the ninth time, yet wondering if this particular day will be any different, especially since outdoors are not favored by me. But reading along, I sense the pages singing a song, sending a husky voice through me. And I laugh while hysteria bubbles, knowing that I am just imagining my book talking, even when it seems so real. Deepening into the book, I read my favorite section, in which I can relate to the character and her plain yet breathtaking life. And this is where appreciation of who I am inside materializes. When pausing to receive the expected goosebumps, I feel as though gusts of wind make the crunchy leaves join me in harmony, as if a realization of the inner being, similar to mine, occurred to the musically talented nature. Though the sun is setting, its power is still shining. And in this dim glow, I finish my book, placing it on the doorstep. Then I realize that this day was different from any other time I've read the book. For I felt like my book's character came alive to reality, giving me company just to enjoy this evening tale with nature and me.